Hey guys, today I'm gonna be singing Beyonce's If I Were a Boy. Hope you guys kind of like it. If I were a boy, even just for a day, I'd roll out of bed in the morning and throw on what I wanted and go. Drink beer with the guys and chase after girls. I kick it with who I wanted and never get confronted for it. Can't take out from me. If I were a boy, I think I could understand how it feels to love a girl. I swear I'd be a better man. I'll listen to her, 'cause I know how it hurts when you lose someone you wanted, 'cause he's taking you for granted and everything you had got destroyed. If I were a boy, I would turn off my phone. Tell everyone it's broken, so they can I'm sleeping alone. I put myself first and make the rules as I go, 'cause I know that she'd be faithful and waiting for me to come home. To come home. If I were a boy, I think I could understand how it feels to love a girl. I swear I'd be a better man. I listen to her, 'cause I know how it hurts. And when you lose the one you wanted, it's taking you for granted, and everything you had got destroyed. It's a little too late for you to come back. Say it's just a mistake that I'll forgive you like that. If you thought you thought wrong. But you're just a boy, and you don't understand. You don't understand. Oh, girl, you say something like man. You listen to her. You don't care how it hurts until you lose the one you wanted. You're taking her for granted, and everything you had got destroyed. You're just a boy. Thanks guys, I hope you like it.